Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Zora is a fascinating platform I've been exploring, and it's definitely worth checking out. Located at https://zora.co, it presents a unique approach to digital ownership and content creation. The site offers a distinctive way to engage with digital assets, moving beyond the traditional concepts of buying and selling. Think of it less as a marketplace and more as a protocol for creating and managing digital scarcity. One of the key features that distinguishes Zora is its focus on community and creator empowerment. It aims to give creators more control over their work and how it's distributed. This is achieved through various mechanisms, including innovative minting and auctioning systems. These tools allow creators to establish direct connections with their audience and build a loyal following. Zora allows creators to mint limited editions of their digital creations, giving them ownership and the potential for ongoing royalties. This is a significant departure from traditional platforms where creators often relinquish control once their work is published. The platform also enables creators to experiment with different pricing models and distribution strategies, fostering a sense of experimentation and innovation. Navigating the Zora interface is generally straightforward, although some aspects might require a bit of a learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with blockchain technology. However, the potential rewards for both creators and collectors make exploring the platform worthwhile. It represents a significant step forward in how we think about digital ownership and the value of creative work in the digital age. Zora provides a compelling vision for the future of digital art and content creation, enabling creators to establish deeper connections with their audiences and build sustainable models for their creative endeavors.